Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel's surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware. We recommend placing finished panels such as door and drawer fronts on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Identify all the parts using the parts list. Place the side panels next to each other with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Using your screwdriver, install the cam lock bolts into the holes with the white plastic insert. Be sure to keep the bolts in a vertical position. Locate the dowel holes and use your rubber mallet to tap the dowels into place. Install the bottom panel, fixed shelf panel, and top panel by aligning the pre-drilled holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Be sure the pre-drilled holes on the bottom and top panels are facing the outside of the cabinet box. The fixed shelf panel should also be installed with the cam lock nuts facing the bottom cabinet panel to ensure a clean, finished look. Gently tap the panels with your mallet to eliminate gaps and ensure a tight fit. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Slide the cabinet's back panel into the groove along the back side of the cabinet box. Be sure the back panel is completely seated in the channel. Install the horizontal back brace panels by aligning the holes with the dowels and cam lock bolts previously installed on your side panel. Use your mallet to gently tap the brace panels firmly into place. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Using your drill, secure the top brace panel into place using the screws provided. Attach the remaining side panel by lining up the dowels and cam lock bolts with the pre-drilled holes. Use your mallet to gently tap the connection points to eliminate any gaps. Place the cam lock nuts into position and use your screwdriver to rotate them 90 degrees clockwise until tight. Install the feet on the underside of the cabinet box by screwing the ABS legs into the bottom panel where the black self-tighten inserts are located. Use the screws provided to further secure them into place. Stand your cabinet box upright and place the cabinet doors on your work surface with the pre-drilled holes facing upward. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of the cabinet doors and use your drill to fasten them using the screws provided. Align the doors with the pre-drilled holes inside the cabinet box and use your drill to attach the hinges using the provided screws. Congratulations on completing your assembly.